Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to delete WhatsApp messages for everyone after a long time. First of all, open up WhatsApp. Then open up the chat from where you want to delete the messages. Now long press on the message you want to delete. After that, click on the bin icon and tap to delete it from everyone. Then scroll down the control panel and tap to turn off the Wi-Fi. Now, open up the settings on your phone and tap on the search bar and search for WhatsApp in here. If you don't find the app this way, then go back to settings. Scroll down and tap on App Management. Now from here, click on App Settings and search here for WhatsApp. Once you find WhatsApp, click on it. Then tap to force stop the app from here. After that, get back to settings and search for date and time. Now tap to change the time and date from here. Then open up the WhatsApp and delete all previous messages from everyone. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.